Okay, so I've gotten quite a bit of depth with the rotary tool and the bit, but as with most rotary tools, the bit and the tool itself gets quite hot and it's very difficult to hold on to. Also, you're burning out the tool, but I go through quite a few of these a year, so it doesn't really bother me that much. I kind of just want to get the bulk removal done so that I can start the carving part. So as you can see here, or at least you can see parts of it, it's quite deep because you can see the shadow from the camera. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set my basic lines for the face and the axe and other things. Because what's going to happen soon is I'm going to be removing all of this wood. So I'll make a line for the bottom of the eyes, and I'll make it down the side of the block. And when I do that, what it'll allow me to do is reference where this is after I've removed the wood, because I'll have those reference lines down the side of the block. Noting where the mouth is and basically where parts of the beard start. Where the eyebrows are, or in this case, yeah, the eyebrows are the top of the band around the king's head. Stuff like that would be very helpful. It doesn't have to be exact because you'll be measuring the carving all the way through. So a basic understanding of where these lines are will be plenty. The other ones are the verticals, like the outside of the nose. In addition to the face. The cheekbones at the top will be most important to know. And that will give you what you need later on. Alright, now we can start the bulk removal.